In this video, I'll guide you how to apply for an overdraft with Starling Bank. So I'll be using the official Starling website for reference, but the actual application must be done inside the mobile app. So even if I can show the full steps visually, keep listening to know exactly what to expect. So first, you can visit the Starling Bank website to read more about their overdraft features, including interest rates, eligibility, and limits. So you'll find this page link in the video description below. So to apply for an overdraft, here's what to do inside the application. So log into your Starling Bank mobile app and then go to your personal or business current account and then tap the three dots or go to the account settings and then look for the section labeled overdraft or apply for overdraft, and then you'll be asked to enter some financial details and consent to a credit check. After reviewing the terms, submit your application, and then Starling will then assess your eligibility. If approved, the overdraft limit will appear directly in your account. So approval is not guaranteed and depends on your credit history and income informations. So reminder, Starling Bank charges interest on overdraft usage. So only use it when necessary and always review the interest terms show in your app. Since I don't have an access to live Starling account, I won't be able to show the application screen, but once you are in the application, the process is simple and fully guided. So you'll find the official Starling Bank links and help pages in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.